It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Hello everyone, my name is Lady Rachel. Welcome to my channel. It is Christmas time, the most wonderful time of the year. It can be busy, it can be hectic, but it truly is a beautiful time and I'm very excited. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this warm, glowy look in a unique way for Christmas. So if you want to see how I put it all together, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my Maybelline New York City bronzer and contour powder in the shade 100. And with my bronzer, I'm trying to put on a good amount, but not too much, because I do want that light bronze glow type of feel. Sometimes it's hard to tell how much I'm putting on because of the lights, but it'll be fine. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to apply my blush, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cream to Powder blush in the shade Rose Royalty. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put just a little bit right here. And what I mean by a little bit is just like I'm just going to try to put more at the apples of my cheeks, which is right here, because I still want to have that nice rosy hint to my cheeks, but not be overly extreme. I'm just going to bring it down just a little bit. Okay, and to finish off my blush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting another blush on top of it, but I like to call it my peach highlighter because it is from my Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter in the shade Highlight Bling. And the reason why I'm putting this blush on top of this blush is because I want to have that nice sparkly peachy glow to my cheeks. It's a very subtle shimmer, which I really like, because I don't want to have very sparkly cheeks, but just enough. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to take this pretty diamond shade for my highlighter, and I'm going to be putting that along my cheekbone and also in this area right here. I absolutely love this highlighter. Now I'm going to go in this area above my eyebrow. It makes sense that I'm going to be using a lot of highlighter in this makeup look because of this pretty diamond shade that can also look like winter due to the frostiness of it. Now we do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to be putting highlighter along the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going to be putting highlighter along the cupid's bow of my lips. Now for my eyes, I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done before. And I'm hoping that will turn out well. I think it will, but we'll have to see. And I'm going to be using this peach highlighter blush shade. And I'm going to be putting this as my eyeshadow. Now, before I do that though, I do have to mention that I don't normally put blush on my eyes, and I just started using actual highlighter for my eyebrow bone and stuff this year. As you can tell from my trying bronzer and highlighter for the first time video. And I've done my research with putting blush on as an eyeshadow, and I've read that it is good that you put eyeshadow primer on before you do so. For me, I always put on eyeshadow primer either for eyeshadows or for eyeliners, but more so for eyeshadows. And what I use is Avon's True Color eyeshadow primer in the shade Light Beige. It comes in this little packaging right here, and that's what I have on my eyes right now. Now, if you still want to create this look but don't want to put blush on your eyes, just grab a shimmery coral shade and that should do the trick. Okay, so I'm going to go in like this. I'm excited. I may have to layer this up a bit, but it actually looks pretty nice. But I do believe that I may have to layer it up a bit, because it's giving me a faint wash of color and a nice shimmery shine to it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now I see the color. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, I like that. I like that so much. I can see why some women would do this. And I'm also going to take this peach blush slash highlighter and I'm going to go along my lower lash line. And I'm not getting too close to the lash line. But I do want to add that nice little effect of just having a little bit of that coral glow to the lower parts of my eyes. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that I've put on this really pretty shimmery peach coral shade on my eyes, I'm now going to highlight my eyebrow bone as well as frost the inner corners of my eyes with the Pretty Diamond highlighter shade. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Oh wow, the diamond highlighter shade is really bringing out the coral. It's adding a really nice touch to it. I'm certainly impressed. It just adds so much dimension to the eyeshadow. I mean, blush highlighter. Wow. I'm just so surprised. I'm just surprised at how shimmery this is. I was not expecting this much shimmer. Now I'm going to try to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, what fun it is to try a new eye makeup look. Now I'm going to go back in with that peach shade and try to blend it a bit with this upper part right here with the highlighter. So this is my eye makeup done. I am quite surprised at how it turned out. Even though this eye makeup look turned out differently than I thought it would, it still gave me that nice warm glow that I was going for, which I'm very happy with and I'm very pleased with. So now I'm on to the lips. Now, because it's Christmas time, a lot of red lip products are being used to welcome in the holidays. So for me, I'm going to go with Avon True Color Lip Crayon in the shade Just Rosy. And for this lip look, I'm wanting to go for a pigmented but soft red lip. Like, I don't want it to be too bold, but I want to have enough color where it definitely feels very festive. This is a very pretty shade. It's a really nice rosy shade, but this is not the lip color I was going for this look. So I'm going to find a lip product that is red and see if I can complement it. This makeup look altogether would look very nice for spring, but that's not what I'm going for. So what I'm going to try to do is use Avon's True Color lipstick in the shade Berry Berry Nice. It's a red that has a pink undertone to it, so hopefully this will work. Yeah, this is more the red that I was trying to go for. I still have to put more red lipstick on because that rose shade is coming through, which I don't mind, but I do want the red pigment to be more powerful than the rose. So this is how it turned out. It was not what I expected, but at the same time it did turn out well overall because I do want this to be a warm glow type of makeup look, and it suits perfectly with Christmas because I feel like with Christmas it's not just the candlelight or the Christmas lights that have that nice warm glow. It's how people greet each other and just the love that's spread around at this time of year. So I really wanted to have that type of theme with my makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep up to date on the videos that I'll be posting. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.